Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into best PiggyVest features for beginners to maximize savings. And here's the breakdown. If you are new to PiggyVest and you want to grow your money without stress, a few key features make it really easy. So one of them is the automatic savings, which lets you set a schedule like weekly or monthly. So money moves into your savings before you think about spending it. That habit alone can boost your balance over time. Another one is target goal. Target goal help you save towards specific things like emergencies, vacation, or bills. You can see your progress right in the app. Save lock is great if you want higher interest, so you lock money for a period and earn more than flexible savings. Combine these tools and stay consistent, and even small amounts can grow fast. So if this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more simple money tips, and comment which PiggyVest features you would like to use first. And that's it.